In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Shopify domain error. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Domains. This is the best place to begin because Shopify usually shows the current status of your domain connection and whether something is missing, pending, or configured incorrectly. If your domain is showing an error, the most common cause is a problem with your DNS settings. That means your domain records at the provider level are not pointing correctly to Shopify. Even if the store itself is fine, the domain won't work properly unless the DNS is set up the right way. So the next step is to sign in to the account where you bought your domain. This might be GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, Cloudflare, or another provider. Once you're there, check the DNS records carefully. Make sure the root domain uses the correct A record and the www version uses the correct CNAME. Another thing to keep in mind is timing. If you recently updated your DNS settings, the error may still appear for a while. Domain changes are not always instant, and it can take time before the new settings fully update across the internet. So if you just made a correction, give it a little more time before assuming it failed. You should also check if the domain itself is active. An expired domain, locked domain, or misconfigured nameserver can also create connection problems. In those cases, the issue may be with the domain provider rather than Shopify. If your domain is managed directly inside Shopify, you may also have the option to reset certain DNS records or manage them from the Shopify side, which can make troubleshooting easier. After making changes, test both the main domain and the www version. Open your homepage, product pages, and collections to make sure everything loads correctly. That's how to fix a Shopify domain error. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.